How Hyderabad Zakat and Charitable Trust stands out among the many that we have. Everyone with very sincere intentions, all these trusts and the rich and well-to-do people have been doing good for the community, particularly during the month of Ramzan. We set apart our annual income, part of it, for this purpose. But then, one thing that is very striking about Hyderabad Zakat and Charitable Trust, I'm part of it for a very long time, but formally part of it for the last few years as the chief patron. One very important point that is to be noted about the trust is the type of works that have been taken up, the objectives, education, employment, which will help the community, not just by giving the way of succor, but to make youngsters and the families stand on their own feet and then make their futures. That is how the zakat should be given, that's the intention. The second part is, it's not just the intentions. You should have the right strategies, the right type of teams to execute, and then see to it that the end result is what we intended it to be.